Well, greetings. I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, then this is not for you. But if you're ready to take it to the next level and trade like a pro, stick around. So today, we're going to be looking in a new basket. It is a basket of natural gas distributors, and it's a small basket, 13 products only, but seemed quite rich as far as being able to find some opportunities in here. Since it is such a small basket, I just ran the whole thing with no filters. Then I came back and did an RW coefficient of 0.8, added an expectation value of 5% up or down, and then we went ahead and added in to make sure the number of winners was right, make sure they're kind of well behaved. So given that group of things, this is what came out. I've looked at several of them, but the first one I went to was the one that had 6 winners in the past, because, well, it's been making money. Had we been trading this way in the past, it would have been making money quite a few times in the past couple of years. So let's go take a closer look at that one. And that is an absolutely beautiful picture. This is exactly the pattern that we're looking for when we're looking for relative value pairs trades. The slope of the mean is slightly down, but overall that doesn't seem to be a big deal. And in fact, it has crossed out outside the second standard deviation 7 times, profitably returned 6, and the only reason 6 is so far is because the 7th one is still open. This one just opened up, well, it actually opened up a little over a month ago, okay? So it's been waffling around in this area. But in any case, this is a really, really nice picture. Let's go take a look at the observe page. I've already added it here, and everything looks good. The past couple of days, we've actually had a little bit of a downward motion starting here. The trend indicator hasn't kicked in yet to show it down, so you might keep an eye on it. I'm probably okay with getting into it now, but you might keep an eye on it to see if it starts moving down a little bit stronger. Let's take a look at the hitting probabilities. And here we have, again, exactly what we want to see, which is a strong tendency towards mean reversion. Let's run our Monte Carlo simulation with 10,000 paths. Okay, so we're at a price of 3.44, targeting minus 1.2, okay? And in 30 days, this is saying we're going to be below that 92% of the time. Now, those of you who watch these videos know that that's an okay number, but that's not a super strong number. But it's still 92%, suggesting that we're not going to be a loser anyway 30 days from now. 92% of the time is nice, and half the time we're going to hit the target price in 39 bars or less. But the mode of that is 22. A couple of times I've noticed this on the previous videos as well, and I should have pointed it out. Basically, this is saying if it gets there strongly, it's going to get there in 22 bars. And if it goes longer than that, you might want to consider, if you have a little profit, you might want to consider getting out, because obviously once it gets past this 3 weeks or so, it doesn't move as strongly down anymore. So you might keep an eye on it and target some time on this, not just a price. So perhaps you use a target of minus 1.2, but keep an eye on it. And if it gets out, 4 weeks or 5 weeks, then perhaps think about, if you've got a little profit on it, perhaps think about just looking for another trade. But in any case, overall, I like this one. I'm going to make it the recommendation of the day. So today's recommendation is ENB minus 1.18 of HEP. It is a short, so for every share of ENB that you sell, you're going to buy 1.18 shares of HEP. Good luck with your trading.